A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 27 degrees with light snow. Our local Doppler radar. Today, snow likely, high 28. Winds east-northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 2 to 4 inches. For tonight, cloudy with snow, low 24. Winds north-northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulating 4 to 6 inches. On Wednesday, snow and windy, high 27. Chance of snow 70%, 1 to 2 inches of snow expected. Our week ahead. Traffic conditions around our